Ready to unlock a world of amazing African movies and TV shows right on your smart box? Let's get Waka TV installed in a flash. First, power on your smart box and navigate to your device's App Store. It might be called Google Play Store, App Store, or something similar depending on your device's brand. Look for an icon that resembles a shopping bag or a collection of apps. Once you're in the App Store, find the search bar. It's usually at the top of the screen. Tap on it to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Now, type in Waka TV using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check the spelling to make sure you find the correct app. Scroll through the search results until you see the official Waka TV app. The icon usually features the Waka TV logo, so it's easy to spot. Select the Waka TV app to open its description page. Here, you'll see an install button. Click on that button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install. The progress will be displayed on your screen. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to an open button. Click open to launch the Waka TV app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Waka TV on your smart box. Now you can start exploring and enjoying a fantastic selection of African entertainment. Happy watching.